Welcome to the future of electronic manufacturing, where precision and efficiency meet innovation. Our state-of-the-art facility features fully automated equipment for all your PCB assembly needs. Our manufacturing process begins with the magazine loader, which feeds bare PCBs into the line from a magazine holding up to 50 PCBs, ensuring a seamless start to the assembly line. Next, the screen printer takes over, printing solder paste onto each bare PCB using a laser-cut steel stencil. This step guarantees precise application for optimal soldering. The heart of our operation lies with the chip mounter, which accurately places a variety of components including resistors, capacitors, ICs, and connectors onto the PCB, ensuring micrometer-level accuracy. Then it's carefully remove the completed PCBs from the line and preparing them for the next stage in the process. The boards transition to the THT through-hole technology loader, which carefully positions each PCB onto a guided track system for through-hole component processing. The THT mounter places components such as large connectors, transformers, and relays into their designated positions with precision. For parts that cannot be automatically placed, the boards are passed to the manual stuffing station, where trained technicians install odd-form components such as wires, custom connectors, or specialty parts that demand human oversight. Once all components are mounted, the boards enter the wave soldering machine. Here, a molten wave of solder fuses the through-hole leads to the PCB, ensuring strong, consistent joints. The soldered boards are then moved to the testing station, where various electrical and functional tests are performed. The process advances to glue dispensing, where protective adhesives are precisely applied to secure components. Following this, the PCBs go through conformal coating, a critical step where a thin polymer film is applied to shield the boards from moisture, dust, and environmental contaminants. Each board then faces final quality control. Skilled inspectors review mechanical assembly, labeling, and overall workmanship to ensure compliance with IPC standards and customer specifications. Finally, the finished PCBs are carefully packed, using custom packaging methods to preserve product integrity during storage and shipping. From prototype to production, every step in our SMT line is engineered for quality, precision, and performance.